the files. Sure. I can't say acting.
Yeah,
Hey.
I'm coming, please.
Hey, I said come here. What are you talking about? I'm calling you. You're going to do what you're doing, right? Step forward. What did I just see you two doing over there? Oh, really? No, wait. I'm asking you. I said, what did I just see over there? What just happened there?
Manager talking to his secretary.
Yeah. And that gives you the passport to place your hand behind her, right? At her, in fact, on her buttocks.
Please,
what you were doing?
Please. You have to address me.
Will you shut up? Address you. Do you know the ethics of your profession? You know. I'm asking you.
Yeah.
What's the code?
I said everybody's here.
You? What?
Yes.
You're not serious. The rules were here before you came in. And you should know best. So how, that tells me you are having intimacy with this girl.
No, do you really understand? My position in this company?
I would have slapped you. But you know why?
Please, we just go.
Now, listen good. Let this be your first and last. Besides, it's not so tangible an evidence. If not, you find yourself where you belong.
Angie. Just
Ngoma. No, wait, what's wrong? I'm calling you. Where is London? Ngoma.
Yes, what, ma'am?
Get closer.
Okay, I just want to stand there.
Will you get closer? You know who you are dealing with? One. Two. I don't want to count the third number. You should be here. What's the meaning of this?
GM and accountants want me to stay away from you. If you ask me to do anything I shouldn't do, if I do, they will sack me. I don't want to stay in trouble. That is why I'm staying away from you.
GM and accountant have ordered you not to talk to me. So they are more important than me. You listen to them more than me. And what right do those two fools have to authorize you not to talk to me? On what basis?
They say if I talk to you, they will fire me. I don't want to go.
For what?
Me, I don't want to go anywhere. That is why I'm staying away from you.
Oh, really? I hear.
So, Omi, as I was saying, dinner is a blessing.
Yeah.
It's a blessing from above.
Good.
And Gusa.
I trust you.
You know your boy. Gusa Ibinyami. Ghana, any kind of West Africa. And Ibinyan Gusa.
Wow.
Yes. At the moment, without wasting my time, it's a medical accountant side.
Accountant.
Good. Say, yes, and sign documents. They send them out and go from now. Be near Kanyama, but what I never faster. Other artist, a African, and so be so virtually.
Okay.
So, say, minimum here. Okay, cool.
Okay.
So you sign here. No, down there. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Then I go to next page. Yes. sign up here.
Up here.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Let's go to this page. Down here.
Oh, okay.
So figures ni go amount na the benyani nyina no matwere go han. Yeah.
Wow.
It's not easy, boss. It's not easy. A big opportunity for us. Say money my fast my pa. Yeah. Okay. I think that you sign the rest. I will sign the rest. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, then I will sign. It's not easy. A big opportunity for our company. A lot of money, a lot of opportunities, and you get a partnership with them too.
Yeah. So you have to sign this too as well.
Yes. Bobby, you're much interested than me.
You don't want money.
So, hey.
Yes.
No, this.
Yeah.
Then
The last one.
yes, mommy.
Yes. Here. Don't forget here.
Yeah.
And
Accountant.
Mr. Procure.
Yeah. So, mommy, this is a big deal for us, and that was I said you buy and want you have trust in me,
Yes,
and want you my normal form, and this it will blow the world. Trust me.
Yes.
This opportunity, other companies will envy us.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh,
Have you?
I'm so happy.
You answer. You must be happy. Man.
Oh, many achipa. Oh, you dear. Don't be ano. Oh, the big things never.
Yes.
Mm.
I work tirelessly every night, chatting them, calling them. Sometimes the way they will talk to you, but me here opportunity, my boss.
Sure.
Please, I need this. Please do this for us.
Yeah.
I said, "Mama, I have bread.
Yeah,
Our
very
company, our broke company."
Oh my God.
It's not easy for me to convince them.
See, I'm doing a general manager. Yeah, other general manager.
Sir.
On the almost make a collapse company. Yeah.
Sometimes, yeah, thank God for you so you man, you show more qualification. The near money relate. And then so here pa. About accountant so abaso. I had dear pa me so man papa no ko fa ba. For you we aba. So we no so can doors no ever fa accounts meeting from fa. Eduma accounts there was a for accounts ntina.
Na when you know. Did you discuss with my daughter? What ma?
You have a point there, but you know,
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Well, boss.
You understand?
You're a good boss.
I want to say.
I'm going to partner also. We're there. Yeah, banner should use you make us anything. I would say.
Oh, sit down. Sit down.
Oh, it's showing me front to sit down.
There's no need. We're going to overswallow. I ain't overswallow. Maybe I'll tell you. Go back and sign documents. And then 3 days. And then man up with you.
Nice.
There is no problem that on near me being no piano.
Ben.
Seniors, that's all when I able to know.
Go inside,
about?
please. Go inside your room, pack all your belongings, and get out.
Shadrach.
Hello, mommy.
What are you talking about?
Hello.
This house.
Excuse me.
This house. I said you're coming. This house is mine now. It's mine. And matter of fact, just go inside your room. And I don't want.
No. I don't understand.
Where is the room? Who know if I'm in the bench has a back in the name?
Shadrach, what is wrong with you? Someone is getting what is going on here. I don't understand. I don't get it. Why do you have to get into our rooms? Like,
I want to do my work, man.
Desmond, go back. What?
We did work last time. I can't tell you, man. Where's the
You
you
know,
Hey, you.
I don't know.
Will you shut up?
Who from there?
Listen. Will you shut up? What's going on?
What's going on there? Can someone explain what is going on here?
I said this house belongs to me.
Which house are you talking about?
Yes, and the side as well.
I'm out of your sense.
I have been with you almost a year. My love here, Uncle Paul, but small girl, to do what?
Wow.
But you were ungrateful beings. Yes.
Hey, someone, keep quiet.
Why you make this and stop talking? Correct me, think I don't like to take it easy with you.
Fine.
Everything is. Wait. Everything is documented.
Yes. Hey, gentlemen, get back! Get back! I said get back!
Listen to you.
You joke! You joke with me! You take the one side of me! You take like my mom, eh?
I'll kick you like that.
What is everything about? Young man, get back!
Say to her. Will you shut up? What's your case and leave my house?
Relax, sit down.
Relax.
Yes, you pack our things out. Listen and listen good. You pack our things out.
Just before you go to your pack out.
Yes, I would like to read through the document. Just as you said.
After reading the document, just go inside the pack. After your back was.
Okay. Wow.
You think we're doing
You
want to speak English.
Very well. Now, I think this is where you people are. Yes, the point where you're using to make clothes.
Tell me, you have finished and go inside the packet.
Hey.
Oh, relax. You cannot read all the name. You don't have time here.
I'm not ready to read it. Yes, of course I'll read it.
Finish it.
Do you have manners?
Don't talk to me like that. Let me.
We are not ready to read.
Read it. Andrew. Reverend, just relax and let them read them. Sack them from the house. Yes. Read it. I'm giving you.
I don't want to. Anyway.
You this girl. You bore me why.
Right. Okay, let me take it from here. Okay, so now you pay attention and listen.
Read it and let's go over there.
Right. I think I'll have to take this very portion.
Look at it.
I, Shadrach Mensah,
Yes, Shadrach Mensah.
together with Foko Angelo, on this day,
A.K.A. Junior.
right, on this day of 26th October 2024, do dedicate our lifetime savings and investments to Ajua Kunedu Daddy.
Are you reading what is in the paper? What are you reading? Read what is in the paper. What are you saying? Dedication.
Oh yeah, you can read. I think you have eyes, so you can read.
What's dedication?
Take a look at it.
Read what is in the paper. Also, what you say? Go here. Stop shaking. Read it.
You can't shift.
Listen.
But why are you dancing? Why are you shaking?
Dancing. Communion.
Oh, you can look at it.
It's a printing mistake.
You are mad.
It's a printing mistake. You are fucking me.
Don't touch it. Don't touch the document. You are dealing with an issue. A very delicate issue. Mom, just take a good look at it. Hey, gentlemen, step aside and let my mom read.
Let me check things. Don't say please, say please.
Hey, I hate what you're doing.
It's printing
Can you compose
mistake.
yourself? Step aside. What is printing mistake? Don't worry.
Senior,
You see,
my time. I don't joke with my time. Let me say.
So they have. Mom, let me take time to explain things to you. They have actually dedicated everything that they have.
But what have I done for you?
To us.
What have I done for you to
That's a mistake.
to dedicate all the property to me?
Very well.
Yeah, listen, please.
Am I your mate?
No, but please, let me That's check. why.
I'm a good person.
Yes.
So, Mom, just as I said, Angelo and Shadrach here have willed all their lifetime investments to us. In fact, you and your entire family.
You better
That's
get
what you have here.
What do you get away?
How come? Can someone explain something to me?
Like me, but these are the people. Yes.
You brought this paper here for me to sign.
This paper.
Sure.
How come?
Of course.
Boss, please.
Please.
It's for him. Now
listen to me. Please, I want this place to be silent. It's true. They printed a paper and brought it to you so that you could sign and dedicate all that you have. The document they brought you 3 days ago was to dupe you of everything that you have.
Oh my God.
But you know what happened? I, under the chairmanship of Akwesi Nkoma, we saw everything right from this start. Mom, I've always been telling you that this guy here is not trustworthy, but you didn't believe me.
Shadrach.
I took time to watch every step of his. Had it not been Akwesi, I wouldn't have gotten to know this. So, Mom, this is exactly what happened.
And the Coco and the Auntie. It's like, I'm going to you.
And files now they will how to completely oh yeah. I can't say I really can be no deal a life-changing opportunity concerning mommy.
Okay.
Also some weekend.
Okay.
We professor no you can say also attend the Panaba. I didn't know at the point to attend the Panaba just one reason. So open the floor.
Me grant that ready now. I wanted to tell you, say, providers wanted the Panaba need that means one can no of this now here at stake.
There's no way we have too many chests in one company.
No! I wanted to sack you.
The main reason we need on website and Timmy said, I said, Mom trusting me.
Yeah, sure.
She trusted me with everything.
Since I didn't document it, I will go through the army, but good.
If you be person now, because of what trusting me, until what be there, I don't know, 18%. A day, a year for arranging be for more sense in ownership or not. By your
when you say idea with the
I've been thinking overnight too. At the moment now, or introducing the banner say, or yet many churches. What I'm saying, there's something ahead of us.
Yes, when you and can assassin or baby coming to you, and provide is written Papa, so I may take over. That is in the enjoy. I am so if I saw evident.